Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that just simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking for a security camera to monitor the exterior of your house, but you don't have a place on the outside to mount it. And it is because it is a window security camera. So this was sent over by a company called Koohome, and it is a 2K little camera here. It's obviously going to come with a user manual that tells you all about it, but we're covering all the features here in the video. So right off the bat, this is what the camera looks like. It's nice and compact in size. It is about 2¼ inches by 2½ inches by about 1½ inches in thickness. Now it's going to come with 2 window mounts. So if you ever do need to remount it or change, it's simply these little guys right here. You're just going to go ahead, pick your location, and then peel off the sticky back, and then go ahead and stick it on the window. And then how the camera is going to attach, it's going to attach via a magnet here. So it's very, very easy. It's just going to go click. And then the lens is sitting flush with the edge of the window. Now this is not going to have any issues with glare or reflections. And it also does both color and night vision. Now speaking of the quality of the camera itself, this is a 2K camera. So it is able to capture great footage, and it has an f1.0 kind of f-stop, if you will, on the frame of the camera itself. Now, this does also record at a 130-degree field of view, so it has a nice wide field of view. So depending on where you're going to put it, you're obviously, like if you put it in your front yard, for example, you're going to easily see your whole front yard, which is a really nice feature of it as well. Now, in addition to the camera setup itself, you're naturally going to get the little power adapter to plug it in, and then you are going to get a ton of cords. So it's going to be a USB, which will plug into the adapter, and then a USB Type-C, which is going to plug into the camera. This is a 10-foot long cord. So if you're not right by an outlet, you can easily drape this to where you're setting it up. And then they give you all these little silicone. You get 6 of them, which is going to be just a little cord management to tuck this in, so that way you don't have that loose cord laying around. Overall, very, very nice setup. Now this camera does have all your standard features that you would expect. You can notice there is a speaker on the side of it. So you can obviously capture audio if you need to. It's going to have those little AI notifications, all that stuff that you normally expect. And then it's also going to be able to record 2 different ways. So they do have a 3-day event cloud recording. Obviously, you can choose to upgrade that if you so wish. And then you can also record 24/7 if you utilize the micro SD card. So it does have a micro SD card slot right there on the bottom, which is right next to the power plug-in. And that's going to allow you to do continuous recording. And you can put up to a 256 gigabit SD card slot, so it can record a ton of information. But another nice feature of this thing, as far as Wi-Fi connection, it's very easy to connect to the app. The app is simply the Koohome app, and then once you connect to it, it connects via your Wi-Fi signal, and it does support the 2.4 or the 5 gigahertz signals, so you're covered on that front. You don't have to worry about separating your internet or anything like that. But overall, if you're looking for a great little camera to capture the outside while you're from the inside, this is a great little window security camera and totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.